It's always the black dresses. No matter the era, no matter the designer, they keep becoming iconic. Let's break down the most iconic black dresses of all time and why they matter. So we are talking about the little black dress. In the late 1800s, black was largely reserved for mourning, widowhood, and formal dress codes, not everyday fashion. By the early 1900s, black became common in service uniforms, especially for maids, which further limited its association with style or elegance. The rule-breaking shift in the black dress is most often credited to Coco Chanel. In a late 1920 issue of American Vogue, her black dress was even described as a potential uniform for women of taste. At that point, women's fashion was already shifting. Hemlines were rising, silhouettes were becoming lighter, and clothing was becoming less restrictive. And that's when the little black dress started to take shape, not as a symbol of restriction, but as a modern essential. I can say with pure confidence that the number 2 most iconic black dress after the original Coco Chanel little black dress is this one. This is the black dress worn by Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's, designed by Hubert de Givenchy. By the time this film came out in 1961, the black dress had already moved from early Chanel-era fashion into cinema, but this moment completely cemented it in popular culture. It wasn't just a costume anymore, it became a reference point that defined elegance on screen. So why is this iconic? Visually, it's minimal, but instantly recognizable from the silhouette alone. Culturally, it helped lock in the idea of the black dress as pure elegance in cinema. And historically, it became one of the most referenced fashion looks in film, shaping how the little black dress is still understood today. And here we are with none other than the revenge dress. This is the black dress worn by Princess Diana in 1994, and I genuinely believe this is the most iconic black dress of all time. Not because of the look itself, but because of what she said with it. She had already broken away from what was expected of her as a royal figure, and then she shows up in this moment, right when the whole world is watching her personal life unfold. And the way she appears in that dress, it doesn't feel like she's reacting. It feels like she's taking control of the moment without saying anything. Visually, it's already unforgettable, but what makes it hit harder is what it represents. It carries emotion, tension, and response all in one image. It really feels like she didn't need to explain anything at all. The dress did it for her. That's why, for me, this is the most iconic black dress ever. And I actually already made a full video breaking this moment down properly. I'll leave it linked below if you want to watch it. What I love about all these black dresses is that there's always something being pushed, something being challenged, something not being followed the way it's supposed to be. That's the pattern every time. It's about breaking the rules, and the next one does exactly that in a different way. Just like the revenge dress, just like everything we've already looked at so far, it fits into the same pattern, but it still manages to feel completely its own. And next, we have none other than the Versace safety pin dress. This is the black dress worn by Elizabeth Hurley in 1994, designed by Gianni Versace. I actually already have a full video breaking this moment down, so I won't go too deep into it here. You can check that out if you want the full story. Another black dress that completely broke the norm of its time in the 90s. At a moment when red carpet fashion was still relatively controlled and formal, this look showed up completely different, bold, exposed, and impossible to ignore the second it entered the conversation. So why is this iconic? Because it disrupted what red carpet black was supposed to look like, because it turned shock value into fashion recognition, and because it instantly made Elizabeth Hurley part of fashion history with a single appearance. And when you look at all of them together, it becomes clear that the black dress was never just about fashion. It kept shifting, breaking rules, and redefining itself in completely different moments, from Chanel to Audrey to Diana to Versace, and more and more. And in every case, it doesn't need explanation, it just speaks. It's like the little black dress speaks for you without you ever opening your mouth. And that's exactly why it never disappears. It doesn't stay in fashion, it stays in culture. I uncover what makes fashion as a cultural movement iconic. If you love this video, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.